How to make your communication skills more effective.
1.
Active listening. Pay full attention to the speaker, maintain eye contact, and respond appropriately to show that you are actively engaged in the conversation.
2.
Clear and concise expression. Use simple and precise language to convey your message effectively. Avoid jargon or complex terms that may confuse the listener.
3.
Nonverbal communication. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Maintain a confident and open posture to convey your message effectively.
4.
Empathy and understanding. Try to see the situation from the other person's perspective. Show empathy and understanding to build a stronger connection and ensure effective communication.
5.
Use visual aids. Incorporate visual aids like charts, diagrams, or slides when presenting information. Visuals can enhance understanding and make your communication more engaging.
6.
Be respectful. Treat others with respect and courtesy during conversations. Listen to their ideas without interrupting and avoid dismissive or judgmental language.
7.
Adapt to your audience. Tailor your communication style and language to suit the needs and preferences of your audience. Consider their background, knowledge, and cultural differences. Practice active feedback. Encourage feedback from others and actively seek clarification if needed. This helps ensure that your message is being understood and allows for effective two-way communication.